continue on his journey. And I never snapped out of that journey till it was over. That was the journey.
Straight out the mud, the kitchen is dirty. Just hit up the plug and caught me at 30. I'm not who I was, the vision was blurry. I'm seeing shit clear, that picture is murky. When I was a kid, I thought I was worthy of feeling some love, but love ain't deserve me. I wish I knew then that love and that hurt me. I severed that bridge before it can burn me. My mama was hard, my daddy concerned me, was beating my ass and showed me no mercy. He thought he was Joe, the whippers were dirty. He tried to make music, this shit wasn't working. He taught me to rap, was practicing early. I wanted to dab, but he never heard me. He traded his son for power attorney. I traded his love for diamonds and perks. I'm not who you knew, don't act like you know me. A lot of shit changed. I'm not like the owe me, the money and fame. I never control me, but I went through things I wish you told me. I still need to change for niggas who owe me. I won't take the blame, but call me broski. That's really your name. You used to be Brody, but now you a lame. You niggas can blow me. A whole lot of money, a whole lot of fakes. For doubt in your body, I know how to trace. I don't really stunt cause I know how to shake. If I wanna stunt, I just pull out the safe. Whole lot of cake and I know how to bake. Parking lot pimpin', I pull out the race. Bury you niggas and pull out the rake. You showing your car, but you still not an ace. Some niggas tell me I remind of my M. The MMLP album had me on 10. The shit I was going through made me a stand. A lot of that pain I've been still holding in. Niggas who hate them the same ones who hate me. The smile on my face and me shaking my hand. Crazy how even back then always knew that one day I relate to the way that I am. That's the way that I am. It's the way that I am. It's the way that I am. Crazy how even back then always knew that one day I relate to the way that I am. Taking a chance, I'm shaking the dice. You used to be hoe, you made it your wife. No matter if I lose, I came here to fight. I feel like two wrongs gon' make me a right. Talking my shit and saying it nice. I say these drugs, I'm raising the price. Your energy trash, you said it is life. My angels are black and Satan is white. I sprinkle some glass and me some rice. My chopper gon' blast, I'm aiming to snipe. I ain't on the gram and came in for likes. You stay on the gram, you came in to type. Trolling the comments, you looking to spam. You really a fan, gon' take you a hike. Climb up the mountain, jump up the top. Your body gon' pop, gon' saving your life. Looking at me, I see hate in your eyes. It's obvious you wanna fake it beside. Your whole life is made up, I ain't too surprised. The ain't she phony and made up with lies.